In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a character in Higgsfield AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get from a blank page to a trained, ready-to-use character with clear, reliable results. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Higgsfield AI. Type the platform name into your search bar and press Enter. This helps you reach the latest version without needing to memorize a direct link. Next, click on the official result. Look for the site that clearly identifies itself as the Higgsfield AI platform and check that the URL looks legitimate and secure. A padlock icon in the address bar is a good sign that you're on the right page. Once you're on the site, click Sign Up or Log In. If you're new, create an account using a secure password and enable any available security options. If you already have an account, just sign in as usual. Having an active account ensures your character training progress is saved and easy to return to. After you're in, navigate to the Character tab from the main menu. You'll typically find it along the top or side navigation. This is the dedicated workspace where all character creation and management lives, so it's the best place to start. Inside the Character section, click Create Character. This opens the setup flow for your new character and brings up the image upload area and training options you'll need. For the best results, provide clear, high-quality images of the person you want to model. Use multiple photos from different angles, front, three-quarter, and profile, so the system can learn consistent features. Good lighting is key. Avoid harsh shadows, heavy filters, sunglasses, or anything that obscures the face. Keep backgrounds simple so the subject stands out, and try to use photos from the same general time period to keep hair, style, and age consistent. Only upload images you have the right to use, and always get permission if the person is not you. A little preparation here dramatically improves the accuracy of the final character. When your images are ready, click Generate or Start Training. The training typically takes about 5 minutes, though timing can vary with server load. Keep the tab open during this process. If it runs longer, that's normal. Just let it finish. When the training completes, you'll see your newly created character appear in the Character section, ready for use in your projects. And that's it. You've searched for the platform, signed in, opened the Character tab, created a character, uploaded strong reference images, and started training. Follow these steps, and you'll get a crisp, consistent character you can use again and again.